In this media, you will be able to understand about types of transformers. Transformers are classified into two types based on its construction. They are A. Core-type transformer and B. Shell-type transformer. In core-type transformer, the windings surround a considerable part of the laminated core. A simple diagram of core-type transformer is shown in figure. In this diagram, the primary and secondary windings are shown at the opposite limbs of the core. Practically, the windings are split into two halves and mounted on both the limbs to reduce leakage flux. A typical arrangement of core-type transformer is shown with primary and secondary windings. Consider the primary winding as low voltage LV winding and secondary winding as high voltage HV winding. It is easier and simpler to insulate the low voltage winding when comparing with the high voltage winding. So, the low voltage winding is placed closer to the core or earth point. The coils used in this type of transformer are former wound. The shape of the coil is cylindrical. These cylindrical coils are insulated from each other with the help of materials like paper, cloth, micarta board, etc. Now we will learn about the shell-type transformer. In this type of transformer, the core surrounds a considerable portion of the windings. The whole arrangement of the shell-type transformer is shown in figure. In this type also, the coils are former wound. They are multi-layer disc type, generally wound in the form of pancakes. The different layers of multi-layer discs are insulated from each other using insulation materials. The whole coil arrangement has multi-layer discs with insulation spaces. These spaces are provided to allow air circulation and help cooling. Shape of this type of transformer is rectangle or distributed. Thus, you have learned about the types of transformers.